Dogelon Mars cost estimates for the years 2023, 2025, 2030 in an unobtrusive way. We here especially will give you the 10 years point-by-point cost expectations for Dogelon Mars in a significant way. The Dogelon Mars in a real sense has in practically no time sort of acquired extraordinary consideration that crypto financial backers generally are interested in looking through the inquiries like generally is Dogelon Mars a very wise interest, an especially enormous manner. Is elon worth purchasing in 2023? What will commonly be the cost increment for year 2023, 2025, and 2030 in an unobtrusive way? How pretty high might Dogelon Mars at any point go? Our aid will provide you with a thought of the Dogelon Mars expected development and its cost forecast, all from profound specialized examination to essential sort of past cost outlines in an unpretentious manner. Dogelon Mars fundamentally past value examination as per the scarcely the most recent market information. Today the cost of Dogelon Mars is $0. elon is as of now basically position number 125 in the very whole crypto market. The flow supply of elon is 551, 485, 118, 182, 170 with a market cap of $274,051,601 in most recent 24 hours. With an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the Dogelon Mars cost has shown in every way that really matters. Great increment of 2.98% as of now. Dogelon Mars in a real sense is as yet confronting a tough time jumping aboard with essentially other crypto coins in the market in a huge way. The elon is down to nearly 27.67% in the absolute most recent 7 days. The coin is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for commonly past truly couple of days. The coin could by and large have sort areas of strength for however. We don't actually believe that it would a productive resource in truly momentary in an especially significant manner. Dogelon Mars value conjecture for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2030 we for the most part anticipate future elon cost expectation. Dogelon Mars gauges by applying truly profound sort of fake learning specialized examination on the verifiable value information of Dogelon Mars in a truly significant manner. We do our in a real sense the best to especially gather most extreme verifiable information for the elon coin which incorporate really various variables like commonly past value, market cap, volume, and that's only the tip of the iceberg, which is very huge. In the event that you in every practical sense are looking to in every way that really matters, put resources into digital money market, especially make a point to peruse our forecasts as opposed to mainstream thinking. Dogelon Mars value expectation for 2023 as per our gauge. In 2023 the cost of Dogelon Mars in every way that really matters is supposed to reach at any rate value level of $0 a very significant manner. The elon cost can in a real sense arrive at a most extreme worth of $0, the typical exchanging cost of $0. Dogelon Mars value expectation for 2024 according to the gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the cost of Dogelon Mars in a real sense is anticipated to reach at a truly least worth of $0. The elon cost can basically arrive at a most extreme degree of $0, the typical exchanging cost of $0. Dogelon Mars value figure 2025 to 2026 the cost of Dogelon Mars especially is by and large anticipated to reach at least degree of $0 2025 in a significant manner. The Dogelon Mars cost can by and large arrive at an especially greatest degree of $0, the kind of typical cost of $0 through 2025, which is genuinely critical. The cost of Dogelon Mars in every way that really matters is most certainly anticipated to reach at any rate level of $0 2026. The Dogelon Mars cost can fundamentally arrive at an especially greatest degree of $0, the especially normal cost of $0 through 2026 in a significant manner. elon value expectation for 2027 Dogelon Mars cost explicitly is figured to explicitly arrive at in a real sense the most minimal degree of $0 2027. According to our discoveries, the elon cost could in a real sense arrive at a kind of greatest degree of $0, the extremely normal conjecture cost of $0. elon value expectation for 2028 as per our specialized examination on verifiable value information of elon. In 2028 the cost of Dogelon Mars in every practical sense is determined to be at around a base worth of $0. The Dogelon Mars value worth can in every practical sense arrive at a limit of $0, the typical exchanging worth of $0 USD. Dogelon Mars value expectation for 2029 the cost of one Dogelon Mars is supposed to reach at an especially least degree of $0 2029, which is genuinely huge. The elon cost can generally arrive at a kind of greatest degree of 0.0000553 with the typical cost of $0 through 2029, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Dogelon Mars value expectation. Conjecture for 2030 according to the figure and profound specialized examination. In 2030, the cost of Dogelon Mars in every way that really matters is supposed to reach at a genuinely least value worth of $0 in especially significant manner. The ELON cost can arrive at a kind of most extreme value worth of $0, the typical worth of $0 a significant manner. Dogelon Mars value expectation for 2031. The cost of Dogelon Mars is supposed to, in every way that really matters, reach at a very least worth of $0 2031. The Dogelon Mars cost could explicitly arrive at a most extreme worth of $0, the especially normal exchanging cost of $0 through 2031, which essentially is genuinely huge. Dogelon Mars value expectation for 2032. Dogelon Mars cost generally is gauged to sort of arrive at a sort of the most reduced entirely conceivable degree of $0 2032, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. According to our discoveries, the ELON cost could arrive at an especially greatest in every practical sense conceivable degree of $0, the really normal gauge cost of $0 a truly significant manner. What really is the Dogelon Mars cost today, which is genuinely huge? Today, the cost of Dogelon Mars essentially is 0.0000050 with the market cap of 274,051,601.000 in an unobtrusive manner. What will be the ELON most elevated in a real sense anticipated cost for 2023? Amazingly, the greatest determined cost for ELON generally is supposed to for the most part arrive at a very greatest worth of $0 the finish of 2023. What will in a real sense be the Dogelon Mars in every practical sense most elevated fundamentally anticipated cost for 2024, which certainly is genuinely huge? The most noteworthy gauge cost for ELON generally is supposed to especially arrive at a truly greatest worth of $0 the finish of 2024 in an especially significant manner. How by and large high can Dogelon Mars go? The fundamentally normal cost of ELON could sort of reach to $0 the current year's over, which really is genuinely critical. Assuming we gauge the 5-year cost, it in a real sense is assessed that the coin will effectively sort of come to the $0. How in every practical sense much will Dogelon Mars be really worth in 2030? As far as cost esteem, ELON especially has an exceptional really potential to reach new ATHs in an unpretentious manner. It is gauged that Dogelon Mars will increment in esteem, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking, as indicated by really numerous specialists and business experts. ELON can truly raise a ruckus around town. The most elevated truly conceivable cost of $0 2030. Is Dogelon Mars a very wise interest? Incredibly, the Dogelon Mars esteem generally is supposed to really keep on growing, as deficiency will in general truly support cost rise, which is genuinely critical. The really long-haul growth strategies in ELON looks encouraging, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. As per our figure, Dogelon Mars will truly cross the $0 during the especially next 2-3 years in a truly significant manner. Kindly note, there is genuinely high gamble include to any interest in an unpretentious manner. Just fundamentally put resources into what you can achieve prior to arriving at any resolutions. Direct the greatest exploration conceivable, or so they generally thought.